Here at Revolution, we wanted to make sure that Revolution would be a restaurant that paid homage to the countries that created the Creole cooking. We developed the menu first, and then we designed the kitchen around the menu, realizing that in a Cajun and Creole concept, that no matter what we did, we would always have a certain amount of all of those stations necessary to create a menu in New Orleans. We wanted every diner who ate in this restaurant to come into the kitchen, meet the chef's team in service. So the 5 stations are set up with the design being no chef moving out of a 6-foot station during the entire shift. In front of every station, you're gonna see the 4 refrigerated drawers. All of the prep is in that drawer for that station. We started off with $500,000 worth of wine stock. 10 months ago, we're at 1.7 million in wine stock now. Our wine sales in the restaurant run anywhere from $12,000 a night. We're gonna begin with the turtle soup or seafood gumbo. We're just gonna do a cup of it. It won't be our normal presentation at dinner, but you'll get a good taste of the soup. We're gonna do a salad of roasted beets with our sugarcane syrup vinaigrette. We're gonna move into a choice of 3 different entrees. We put our short rib on the menu because the short rib is a unique presentation of the short rib, and it's one of our #1 sellers, even though we thought it would probably be number 10. We're also gonna do jumbo lump crab cake. And the duck that we're doing is a rotisserie duck that comes off of our ovens back here. Wanted to make sure that duck and geese and those kind of winged birds had a presence here, and we're cooking it in a fashion that's been used in Louisiana for quite a while.